It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac, second to none. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.